Welcome to a video by Abron. This is otoscope. Here we have the light system. We have the cells. We have put the two cells here for demonstration. Positive is on the top side. There is a bulb here. You can close it after use. There is an on-off switch here on the right side. There is an on-off switch on the otoscope. You can push it, and if the distance is 9 mm to 2 mm, how much is the diameter of the, you can see how much is the diameter of the viewing window. You can view the inner ear which is there. You can see the view, and if you want to use it for the inner view of the, you open it, close it, and then open the front part LED lamp, and then fit another part which has a lens also, and the light bulb, and there is a ear cup also. There are three. You can sterilize them, use it on the different persons, and then push it. Then you can see, this is, now you can see this inside ear can be viewed by the eye, and then you can see the magnified image will be visible. You can see the visible image. You can see the image is visible, bigger size, and then there are changeable. You can switch off and take it out, put another one. There are three available with this. There is another model.